everyone, this is Ainush and welcome back to Trending Now. I am wearing my Gilmore t-shirt, which is why my Lorelai mode is on, and I have to give you all the tea that I know, starting with Taylor Swift's engagement and also the apparent breakup between Tate McRae and the Kid Laroi. And not to forget, Tyler, the creator, and Frank Ocean have unfollowed each other. So starting with the first news, that is about Taylor Swift's engagement, a lot of fans are speculating that Travis Kelce may have popped the question to her. And not to forget, we also know that Taylor Swift's bestie right now, that is Selena Gomez, is engaged to Benny Blanco. So maybe they have a wedding preparation coming out together. Now the fact is, Travis Kelce for the first time ever officially posted her on Instagram, and there were a lot of pictures that he posted, out of which one of the pictures had his phone screen on and it showed that Taylor was wearing a ring. Now it's not very sure when this proposal happened, but a lot of fans are speculating that it might have happened during the Eras tour. Now also the fact is, Taylor is celebrating another win, if I have to say, because we have Madame Tussauds, who has now unveiled 13 new wax statues of her in 13 different locations. And as a Swiftie, we all know why the number 13 is lucky for her. Next, I have some gossip about Tyler, the creator, and Frank Ocean. Yes, both of these artists have unfollowed each other on Instagram, and I was speculating that there might be a fallout, but a lot of fans are saying that maybe they are not good friends anymore. Now the speculations grew worse because we had Tyler, the creator, who had launched an album last year, but a lot of people expected Frank Ocean to be in it, but he wasn't there, and they are now saying that maybe the bond is not strong as it was. Lastly, coming to Kid Laroi and Tate McRae, I personally feel that Kid Laroi is a splitting image of Justin Bieber because they also collaborated on the song Stay Together, but right now both of them have apparently broken up. Now Kid Laroi has a song which is called as Hot Girl Problems, and he indicated that maybe the girl that he was dating was a little bit shady, which is why a lot of his fans started speculating that maybe he was hinting at Tate McRae, and Tate's followers and fans were like, maybe this was Kid Laroi's PR who was trying to put all of this gossip out. Now Kid Laroi on Instagram and Twitter has come out and said that this is all false and that him and Tate are on very good terms, which means that breakup happened, and I feel that he fumbled a baddie. What do you think about this entire controversy? Let me know in the comment section below, and that's the trending tea of the day. If you like our content, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
94.3 Radio 1.